Imagine a creature that crawls without legs, sees without eyelids, and smells with its tongue. They inhabit every continent except Antarctica, and their shapes, colors, and behaviors challenge our most basic understanding of life. They are symbols of fear and wonder, of healing and danger. Today we'll delve into the fascinating world of snakes, uncovering curiosities you've probably never heard of. Prepare to see these reptiles in a new light, understanding their incredible adaptations and the vital role they play on our planet. If you enjoy unraveling nature's secrets, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, so you don't miss any intriguing videos like this one. One of the most striking characteristics of snakes is the absence of movable eyelids. Instead, their eyes are protected by a transparent fixed scale called a brille or spectacle. This means they never blink, giving them a penetrating and for many somewhat intimidating gaze. This adaptation also protects them from debris and injuries as they crawl through hostile environments. Snakes' forked tongues are not for tasting, but for smelling. They extend it to collect chemical particles from the air and soil, which are then carried to a special organ in the roof of their mouth, the Jacobson's organ. Because the tongue has two prongs, it allows the snake to detect the direction and intensity of odors, creating a three-dimensional chemical map of its surroundings. Some snakes, such as pythons, boas, and vipers, possess an extraordinary sixth sense, loreal pits. These small openings, located between the eyes and nostrils, are extremely sensitive thermoreceptor organs. They can detect the infrared heat radiated by their prey, allowing snakes to hunt with absolute precision, even in total darkness. Ecdysis, or shedding, is a vital process for snakes. As they grow, their old skin becomes tight and worn, and needs to be replaced. Before shedding its skin, snakes secrete a fluid between the layers, which clouds their eyes and makes them temporarily more vulnerable. Once the old skin is shed, usually in one piece, the new skin is brighter and more colorful, revealing a renewed reptile. Legless, snakes have developed an impressive variety of locomotion methods. Most use serpentine movement, where the body forms lateral undulations. Others, such as desert vipers, employ sidewinding, which minimizes contact with hot sand. There is also rectilinear movement, used by large pythons and boas to move in straight lines, and concertina movement, for climbing or moving through tight spaces. Snake venom is a complex and highly evolved weapon, used primarily to immobilize and pre-digest prey, and secondarily for defense. There are different types of venom: neurotoxic, which attacks the nervous system; hemotoxic, which affects blood and tissues; and cytotoxic, which causes cellular necrosis. The exact composition varies widely between species, making each bite a unique threat. Unlike venomous snakes, constrictors, such as boas and pythons, rely on muscle strength to subdue their prey. They coil tightly around the animal, squeezing with each exhalation until the victim succumbs to asphyxiation or, more recently discovered, cardiac arrest. It's an incredibly effective hunting strategy and a demonstration of the sheer physical power of these reptiles. In the snake kingdom, there are true colossuses. The green anaconda, found in the waters of South America, is considered the heaviest snake in the world, reaching over 200 kilograms. The reticulated python, native to Southeast Asia, holds the title of longest snake, with records of individuals exceeding 9 meters. These giants are apex predators in their ecosystems. At the other end of the spectrum, we find thread snakes, such as *Leptotyphlops kali*, native to Barbados. At only about 10 centimeters long and as thin as a spaghetti noodle, it is the smallest known snake species in the world. These tiny creatures live under rocks and in damp earth, feeding on larvae and termites, and often go unnoticed. When it comes to venom, no snake is more potent than the inland taipan of Australia. A single bite from this species can contain enough venom to kill about 100 adult men. Fortunately, it is extremely reclusive and rarely encountered by humans, preferring to live in arid, remote areas. Its neurotoxic venom acts quickly, paralyzing the victim's nervous system. Many snakes are unparalleled masters of camouflage, a crucial adaptation for both hunting and protecting themselves from predators. Consider the dry leaf viper, which blends seamlessly into the foliage of